Welcome back to Me and You. This is Costco's Super Return, where we hunt new items, research them, put them to the test, and see in the end if it's worth keeping or it's going back for a return. So it was a typical Costco run for us, except this one hit different. It was our first ever return of the series, the Tetris Jumbo XL. It really was a really fun game. It's great for parties, but it just takes up way too much space for us, and because of that, we are gonna have to return you. I'm very sorry, Tetris Tumble XL. It's sad to see the Jumbo Tetris go. Our mission, return one thing and do our sample rounds. Then we spotted the Cascade Mountain Tech Rechargeable Camping String Lights. $19.99 for two, so for those that don't have a calculator handy, that's less than $10 each. It has 7 different light modes: string light, dome light, multicolor string light, lantern, multicolor lantern, string light, and dome light, and also a flashlight. It's good for camping. You can use it in your kids' rooms. You can hang it on your stroller for night walks, going to Disneyland, Halloween. Lots of usages for this. We have another inside scoop for you. As we have learned from our Costco Connect, this is when Costco rolls out its camping and outdoor gear. So hopefully they'll be stocking this in your local store soon, or online. We'll have the information in the description box down below. So let's see what we get here. Opening it up, comes with 2 lights, little hockey puck looking things. Also comes with 2 USB-C charging cables. Charger port, USB-C, indicator light, power button, flashlight. So this is where the retractable lights are. 9 meters, a little under 30 feet. Sometimes camping with 3 kids just isn't easy. Getting away is tough. We bring the campsite to us. All you have to do is pull up your car, or for us, the Land Cruiser. Popped up our rooftop tent. Hung up our hammock and strung our lights. So we have here the warm white, the multicolor flashing, warm dome light, flashlight, super bright flashlight. Ooh, and it's got a flashing flashlight. Oh, that's like extra bonus. Sometimes the driveway is your best camping spot. And the kids love it. They have a blast just playing right here on our driveway. We like the warm white, but the kids love the flashing string colored multicolor lights. Who loves camping? Did we trade one Costco item for another? Or is this going back for a return? What do you think, guys? Keep or return? I think that's it. It's a keep for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description box down below for information and links to all the product. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, and we will see you in the next one.